everybody! Are you new to Prolog and confused about how to actually run your code? In this short video, I will show you how to run any Prolog file in SWI-Prolog step by step. It's a super beginner friendly video. In this video, I'll also tell how to install it. First of all, SWI-Prolog is one of the most popular for Prolog implementation. It's a logic programming language used in AI knowledge base and reasoning system. So first, if you could install it, go to Google Chrome or Opera, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, then search Prolog download. The first link that will appear, click on it. Then the first version, click on it. This SWI Prolog 9.2.91. Then click on I understand. Then you can click on download and simply it will download it. Since I have already downloaded SWI-Prolog as I have shown you already earlier, so basically these are the facts that I have written, and these are the query, like prompt, sorry, not like prompt, and this true and all are if the code is run successfully, the message, then it will show true, otherwise it will show false. So let's create a new file. I will do the same. Okay, wait. I have opened the SWI Prolog. Simply go to File first, then go to New. Then you have to create a file. I will name it as a basic. Then save it. So then this will appear. Yeah. So now here in this side, on my right side, here you will write the fact, and here on the left side you will write the query or prompt. Actually, Prolog is quite case sensitive, so let's see. Okay, so I will write some facts. Sorry, not here. Basic facts. Okay. These are rules. Then our parent John Mary. So while writing a fact, you have to end it with a period or a full stop. Then another parent John Sam. Parent Susan Amy. Parent Bob Lily. Then parent Johnny Mike. And parent right? Taylor Valley. Okay. Then go to compile and click on compile buffer. Again, repeat the same process. Compile buffer. Actually, while writing facts, you can't write the whole fact and compile it. If you do that, like if there is any such a long facts, then while compiling, it will show you error. So the best thing is to do like write few lines and compile it, then again write few lines, then again compile it. Then the fact female, okay? Her female are Susan, full stop, then female Lily. Female Taylor. Okay. So the thing is, in this fact, you can see female as Susan, Amy, Lily, Taylor, and Belly. And I have written here, like I have declared Susan, Lily, and Taylor as a female, but I haven't declared Amy and Belly as female. So what you will assume is you will assume it as a male. So go to compile, then compile buffer, then okay. Okay, then here I will write a fact. Parent John Mary. Here, first write parent John, same as here. Repeat the same thing here and just write it down. Then click on enter. Since this query is the fact is overwritten over here, so it shows true. If I wrote parents, if I write parents John Amy, then it will show false. And if I write female and capital X, actually capital alphabets are known as a variable. Here's Susan. If I write full stop here, then it will stop here. And here you can see as female, there is Lily and Taylor left. So I will show you how to display all of those. Female, X, you can write even Y. Any letters, any alphabets are fine here. Susan, then you gotta give a semicolon. Then again a semicolon. Then this is the final one. And you and at last I want to say something. You if you create a file, then basically you will see the extension .pl here, that, and if true comes, then it if you see true, then it means it worked. And the thing is, this much for the basic short video, and I hope you will like it. And here you have learn about how to install SWI-Prolog and how to create a file and how to run some basic facts, and you have learned some basic rules. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you want me to go deeper into the prologue, then please comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and comment how was it, and was it helpful or not. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.